Every single day. You unlock your phone dozens of times. You scroll through Instagram. Watch YouTube videos. Search something on Google. Check your email. Shop online. Or even ask AI tools like ChatGPT. A question. But have you ever stopped and wondered? Why do you see those specific videos? Why does Google show one website before another? And why do some businesses seem to be everywhere online, while others are almost invisible? Is it just luck? Is it AI? Is it Google? Or is there a system working behind the scenes? The answer is a carefully planned strategy. It's called digital marketing. And here's something interesting. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand why businesses spend billions on digital marketing, how customers make buying decisions, and the 9 fundamentals every successful marketer must master. Stay with me until the end, because everything else in digital marketing becomes easier once you understand these fundamentals. Welcome back to DigiPrompt Biz. This is Lesson 2 of our Digital Marketing Roadmap 2026. In the previous lesson, we explored why digital marketing is one of the most valuable skills in the AI era. Today, we'll answer a more important question. What exactly is digital marketing, and what are the core fundamentals every beginner should understand? Let's get started. Digital marketing isn't simply posting on social media or running advertisements. It's the process of helping the right people discover the right product at the right time, through the right digital channels. Every time a business appears exactly when you need it, you might not even realize it. But that's digital marketing at work. Imagine you're looking for a new laptop. You search on Google. A few minutes later, you start seeing laptop ads on Instagram. You watch YouTube reviews. Amazon recommends similar products. Your inbox even receives discount emails. Coincidence? Not at all. That's digital marketing working across multiple platforms to guide your buying journey. And the amazing part is, this isn't happening by accident. It's happening because businesses understand how people discover, compare and choose products online. And once you understand how it works, you'll never use the internet the same way again. Let's look at the framework behind every successful marketing campaign. Here's what most beginners get wrong. They jump straight into SEO, Facebook ads, or AI, without understanding the fundamentals. It's like trying to build the roof before laying the foundation. Today, I'm going to show you the framework behind every successful digital marketing campaign. Let's explore the 9 fundamentals. Think of them as building blocks. Miss even one, and everything else becomes much harder. Let's begin with the first one. Business strategy. Everything starts with one simple question. Why does this business exist? Before running advertisements, creating posts, or making videos, every successful business asks, what problem are we solving? What makes us different from our competitors? What are our business goals? Without clear answers, marketing becomes guesswork. Think about brands like Nike or Coca-Cola. Let's look at a real example. Dove doesn't just sell soap or skincare products. Its famous Real Beauty campaign is built around one powerful idea. Every woman is beautiful. Instead of focusing on perfect looks, Dove encourages women to embrace their natural beauty and feel confident in who they are. This helps Dove build an emotional connection with its audience. People don't just remember Dove's products. They remember what the brand stands for. Every advertisement, every campaign, every message supports that one purpose. That's why marketing without a strategy is like traveling without a destination. You also need to know who you're trying to reach. That's where market segmentation comes in. Market segmentation. Imagine walking into a huge shopping mall. Would every store sell exactly the same products? No. One section is for children, Another is for sports. Another is for electronics. Another is for luxury brands. Businesses organize products for different kinds of people. Digital marketing works the same way. Customers are grouped by their age, where they live, their income, their interests, and even how they shop. Because different people need different messages. But here's something interesting. Knowing the group still isn't enough. To market effectively, you need to imagine one real person. That's called a buyer persona. By the way, if these concepts seem new, don't worry. Every successful digital marketer started exactly where you are today. We're building this roadmap one step at a time. Buyer persona. Imagine I tell you, my audience is everyone. Can you create the perfect advertisement? Probably not. Now imagine I say, my audience is Sarah. She's 22 years old. A university student. She wants to become a freelancer. She watches YouTube every day. She has a limited budget. Suddenly, creating helpful content becomes much easier. That's the power of a buyer persona. Instead of marketing to everyone, you're helping one real person. Now imagine Sarah discovers your business. Will she immediately buy from you? Usually, no. She goes through a journey. That's what marketers call the marketing funnel. Marketing funnel. This is where marketing becomes really interesting. People don't become customers instantly. They move through a journey. First, they discover you. Then, they become interested. Next, they compare different options. Finally, they decide to buy. Let's use Apple as an example. Imagine Apple launches a new iPhone. You first hear about it. Then you watch reviews. Then you compare it with Samsung or Google Pixel. Finally, you decide which phone to buy. That's the marketing funnel. Great marketers don't force people to buy. They guide people through each stage. But even knowing the journey isn't enough. You also need to understand the person walking through it. Understanding your audience. Ask yourself, what keeps my customer awake at night? What problem frustrates them? What are they trying to achieve? Marketing isn't about convincing people. It's about helping people. The better you understand their problems, the easier it becomes to create solutions they'll actually value. Once you understand people, you need a way to earn their trust. How do you build trust? You build it by creating valuable content. Creating valuable content. People don't trust businesses simply because they exist. Trust is earned, and content is one of the best ways to earn it. That content could be blogs, videos, social media posts, emails, podcasts. Great content doesn't shout, "Buy my product." Instead it says, "Let me help you first." And that's exactly why educational content performs so well. Now comes another important decision. Where should you publish that content? That's exactly what we'll discuss next. Choosing the right marketing channels. Every platform attracts different people. Some search on Google. Professionals often use LinkedIn. Younger audiences spend more time on Instagram or TikTok. Businesses don't try to be everywhere. They focus where their audience already spends time. But how do you know if your marketing is actually working? That's where analytics become essential. Measuring results. This is one of the biggest advantages of digital marketing. Almost everything can be measured. Imagine Nike launches a new campaign for a new pair of running shoes. Instead of guessing whether the campaign is successful, Nike can track website visitors. How many people visited Nike's website after seeing an advertisement or social media post? Clicks. How many people clicked the Shop Now button or ad? Conversions. How many visitors actually completed a purchase after visiting the website? Sales. How much revenue the business generated from those purchases? Customer behavior. Which products people viewed the most, and at what point they left without buying? Instead of guessing, businesses use data. Because data helps you make smarter decisions. But collecting data isn't the final step. That's why every successful marketer focuses on continuous improvement. Continuous improvement. Marketing is never finished. Even companies like Amazon, Apple, and Nike are constantly testing new headlines, new images, different advertisements, better emails, improved landing pages. Why? Because small improvements can create huge results over time. Great marketers don't chase perfection. They keep learning. They keep testing. And they keep improving. From business strategy to understanding your audience, these are the building blocks behind every successful marketing campaign. But learning the theory is only the beginning. In the next lesson, we'll put these concepts into practice. Together, we'll build your first professional Facebook business page and Instagram business account from scratch. And here's something interesting. Most beginners make critical mistakes while creating their Facebook and Instagram business pages. Mistakes that can affect their brand and marketing later. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to avoid them from day one. I'll explain every setting, every option, and every decision, so even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to follow along with confidence. So, if you don't want to miss the practical part of this roadmap, make sure you subscribe to DigiPrompt Biz and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next lesson.